So over here you can see that I got two horses right here, and if I were to go around and select out the move tool right here just like this, so let me just go around, select the move tool and click and drag this and resize it, you can see that I can squeeze or I can expand the picture right here. But what happens is that the horses are squished as well, which does not look natural right here. The grass and the trees, it doesn't matter much. Let me just go around and press the check mark button, and let's say what I want to do is I want to keep the horses as it is. I just want to resize out this image so that I got more viewing area, but I don't want it to affect the horse. So in that case, when you're on the expert mode, you can use something called the Recompose tool, which is under the modify section, as you can see. And if you were to click on it, you can simply go around and click and drag around the edges right here. So let me just go around and then click and drag around the edges, and it recomposes out the image, as you can see right here. So in this case, it detected out the horses, but you can still see that they are squished down. So I really want to make sure that the horses do not get affected right here. So let me just press the check mark right here. So while you are on the Recompose tool itself, you can just draw around in the area that you don't want to be affected. So let me just go around with the size. The threshold is 100%. So you can just go around right here and then draw around right here just like this onto the items that you don't want to be affected. So in my case, they are the horses right here. So let me just go around and then draw around the horses over here just like this. So here you can see that this is what you have. You can go around onto Recompose and erase them out over here as well. So let me just go around onto erase because I selected a bit more areas right here. So let me just go around and Recompose, and you can go around and work around with that as well, just like this. So this is what you have, the threshold right here just like this, and you can work around with it. So now what I'm going to do is, let me just go around over here onto the Recompose option right here and just go around and draw around the horse again. So this is what I have. So now what you can do is you can go around over here on the end and pull it out, and you can see that the horses stay intact now. They don't get affected even if I were to squeeze them, as you can see right here. So they are always there in the shot, and the Recompose tool is not affecting them right there. So you can go around, recompose this out. You can pull this out from over here on the right as well, on the left hand side right here just like this, and that is what you have. So let's say I want the horse to be on the right here, and I just want to increase this. Then there you go. You can see that I can really recompose it out right here. But if you pull it out too much, it does affect out the background, as you can see just like that. And once you're happy with the result, you can go around and press the check mark button right here. You can go around and utilize, let's say, different sizes as well. So you can go around and select out different sizes of the image right here so that the Recompose affects out the picture accordingly right here just like this. So that is how you can use the Recompose tool inside of the expert mode in Adobe Photoshop Elements and recompose out the image according to how you want. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.